Hey, big Ford guy here. We got the rear end back. Where we put it in. Those are the shafts with the new bearings.
Big shaft.
Big shaft. And we cleaned all that up in there. And these are the new 370 gears. Those are 370 posi.
Okay.
So it'll take two of us to sit it up in there, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're bolting it back in now. We got it up in there. He's bolting the pumpkin back in. With all the gears. Sorry about the camera wiggling. Got the gears all in it, we're bolting it in. Okay, so we're putting our axles in now. We got the rear end actually bolted in. And this is the gear oil we're using. And this for posi traction, it's an additive. Well, he's getting ready to put the axle in. Oh, sorry about the camera. All new bearings we did, all new seals. Everything's new in it. The rear end part's in. And we still gotta do the drive shaft, but it's hard to record when you're underneath the car. And all you do with these, they actually just slide in. You little finagling. Look at that little tap. Goes right in. And those are all in. We gotta still do the other side. But she should do a lot better than what she's done. I mean, it was a one-wheel peel with the car. Now there's 370 gears in her. Now he's putting his 4 bolts on. I don't know if you can see him putting his nuts in. His nuts, get it, guys? Put the 4 nuts in, that's it. Tighten it up, and that one's in. Got those all back on, all cleaned up. Brakes are all cleaned up. Like I said, we still got the drive shaft to do. So, but she's almost ready to go. Get in, and we gotta break her in. And the way to do that is you put your tires on, you leave her sit where she is, put it in drive, let the oil work through. Then you stop it and you fill it up. Well, we're getting ready to try it. We got all the rear end in, drive shafts in, everything's stacked together. So we'll start up and try it. Leave it warm up a minute. We're gonna leave the rear end spin, so it'll leave the fluid get through everything. Scott, put it in gear, let it roll. We'll do this for about 15 minutes or so. Spinning. Leave all the oil get worked up through, and we'll do it for about 10 minutes. But both tires are spinning. This one and the other one's spinning. We got posi now. There's one. And there's the other one. We got posi now. Definitely got posi in her now. 370 gears with a posi. Well, here we go. First ride in the 68 with the new tranny. Or, not tranny, rear end. It's already recording. Huh? It's already recording.
fucker.